What is up guys? So it's me again. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is magsa-sound test tayo ng ito, yung Exos R6. By the way guys, hindi yan yung original na logo niya. So sticker lang yan. So tinanggal natin yung original na logo niya kasi yan yung na-damage nung na-assemble lang tayo guys. So ayan. So tingnan natin. Pakinggan nyo na lang kung ano yung magiging tunog nya. May unboxing tayo nito guys, so lalagay ko yung link sa baba. And before natin i-sound test to, pakita ko na lang muna kung paano ginawa yung kanyang elbow. Yan, so modified na elbow yan. So bali nagpagawa lang tayo, and ayun, sinalpak si Exos R6. So roll VTR. So start na natin. Yan, so ayan yung idle sound niya guys. And ito yung rev sound niya. Ayan guys, so yun yung sounds niya, yung idle sound, tsaka yung sounds niya pag nagre-rev tayo. So kayo na lang bahalang humusga or magbigay kayo ng opinion. Just comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.